if you look at some of the concerns, I think the market, especially sterling, is positioning because of Brexit instead of the PMI. Now, PMI services actually better than expected, both for the composite and services. So for the month of February, it's coming in at 51.3 instead of the 49.9 that we were expecting. Composite also better than expected, 51.5 instead of the 50.1. So it's interesting. If you look at the data, I'm looking at pound. Great chart, by the way. I like the way we're doing the studio there. Pound at 131.82. But then we look to the Attorney General, who's in Brussels, to try and see what he negotiates from the EU to be sure that Theresa May's deal passes through Parliament. Well, Jim McCormick is with us. Jim, I don't know how difficult it is to actually understand the health of the economy because of this data points here and there, because really it all depends on what kind of Brexit deal we're left with.
Yeah, I think that's right. I think what you're supposed to see in the UK is that there's genuinely been a slowdown as we move closer and closer to the Brexit date. But you've got weak investment and what looks like still a relatively sound consumer. But we're really not going to get out of this cloudy period until we get some clarity on Brexit. Clearly, I think one of the big themes in the UK is that it's shifted from just a political uncertainty to some economic weakness.